Hey everybody, today's topic is women playing the victim. So, you've all been watching Maury or Steve Wilkos or some kind of talk show, and there's a woman on stage boo-hooing her little eyes out because, her boyfriend quote unquote cheats on her or he hits her, and then so we're all feeling sorry for her. Then the truth comes out. She takes a lie detector test and she fails it. Come to find out she's cheating and she's doing all that stuff. And then people don't even feel bad for, automatically, not even liking the dude because of some shit the girl said. And that's not right. Women, not all women, but majority of us like to play the victim. And it's like, it's so annoying because it's like, if the dude's doing all that, why are you with him? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. Same thing for women who kill their kids. All they gotta do is claim postpartum depression, and automatically people feel sorry for them, and they get off. They get a lesser sentence, and that's not even right. There's treatment out there. There's help you can get. So a hormonal imbalance is no excuse to kill somebody or go off on them. Same thing for women that are on their periods or that are pregnant. Yes, you have your hormones are, out of whack. I've had 2 kids, but I don't think I was hormonal. I didn't take out my anger on everybody else. If you're that fucking hormonal, distance yourself from everybody else. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Just because you're a woman, people already think you're a weaker sex. So I'm not the type of person that I can't cry on cue. I have to be like really just upset to be able to cry. I can't stand for, like, all you gotta do is yell at a chick and she start crying. Automatically you feel bad for her because she's crying. Fuck all that, Crying doesn't make you weak. However, when you're using your tears to get out of shit, like, I have some female friends that come to me crying because they've done something wrong as far as, like, cheating on their dudes, with their best friends and stuff like that. Why are you crying? You wasn't crying when his dick was in your mouth, so don't start crying now. That's ridiculous. You know what I mean? So just quit playing the victim because you're far from it. Another thing is skinny jeans, okay? They are not meant for everybody. I'm not exactly a small girl if you can't tell by my torso. But I'm not a freaking size like 24 or 36, so I can get away with wearing skinny jeans. However, you need to dress your size. It is not cute when you going outside in skinny jeans and your legs look like lumpy mashed potatoes. It's not the business at all. Another thing is spandex. It's spandex, not X-spandex. If you feel like you're going to bend over and rip the seam of your pants, you need bigger clothes. It is not the business. You need to dress your size. I'm tired of going to the grocery store and seeing big bitches in fucking booty shorts and Ugg boots. That shit ain't cute.